I was recording this sound. It sounds like the weirdest thing ever. Weirdest thing ever. It's like... I can't really explain it. But it was just... When it gets really windy out, it's like... I just woke up because I stayed up till 5 o'clock in the morning. But so I might give you guys a follow-up on this tomorrow, but dude, that's creepy. See you guys tomorrow. Sorry I didn't upload Friday. I will do a review on my new Tatanka action figure that I just got, that I will show you. But that I just got a new Tatanka action figure. New Tatanka action figure. I will review this next Sunday. I'll review this Sunday. So we'll review this tomorrow. I'll review this tomorrow. Have a good day.